Hello hustlers, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how you can connect your wallet on Blum, like Blum Airdrop. So this is what I will do. I'll come over to wallet here. This video is going to be short and quick. I'll come over to the wallet here. So let me click on the wallet. Okay, clicking. I don't know why this is not working. Let me take. Okay, finally. So this is how it looks like. So you have all that option, so you can choose from other applications, other wallets you want to connect with. So let me just click on view her wallet so that you will see other wallets that you can actually connect to instead. So let me just check. Let me view her wallet. Okay. That I can connect in my Telegram wallet. I can connect on Tonkeeper. I can connect on my TON, and just like that, I can connect on even Binance wallet. I can connect on OKS, on Biggest, on Hot, on Bybit wallet. So any of these wallets you have, you can actually connect your Blum to it. So for me, I think I'll be going with my my Telegram wallet. Because why I think I want to go with my Telegram wallet, because if the allocation of the airdrop is being located to me, I'll be able to transfer it to my wallet without the use of gas fee. So I think for that, that's one of the reasons why I will actually connect my Telegram wallet to my Blum. So what I have to do is click on my Telegram wallet. Now, since I'm clicking my Telegram wallet, this Telegram place will not refer me to other applications. So I'll still be on Telegram. So I have to wait, and after some time it will be able to connect. Okay, I think this one is getting a little bit longer. Okay, all these notifications. Okay. Okay, so if you are using time to on any of those ones, you will actually have other options. You have to go to the app and connect it in that app before you come back to your normal Telegram. So okay, I think okay. Now this is what it said. It said Blum wants to connect to TON space. This app able to view your address balance. Okay, done. Balance and activities. So after I have to wait for some few seconds. Okay, so it's connecting right now, and boom, it has connected just like that. Very easy. Now my Blum wallet is now connected to my Telegram wallet. So anytime Blum allocates my airdrop to me, I'll be getting my airdrop on my Blum wallet. Isn't that amazing? So guys, if you love this video and you want more of Web3 space, you want to know if you have been scammed, subscribe for more. Thank you. Peace out.